Третий класс, английский язык, Звездный Английский. Домашнее задание. Откуда он? Часть вторая. Страница 52, 53, 54. English. Starlight 3. Where is he from? Homework part number 2. Page number 52, 53, 54. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Oliver, and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 52. 52. Word lab. Exercise number 1. Look and write the sentences. Посмотрите и напишите предложение. It's hot. It's snowing. It's windy. It's raining. It's sunny. It's cold. The answer. It's cold. It's windy. It's snowing. It's sunny. It's hot. It's raining. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Complete the short dialogues, then take roles and act out. Завершите короткие диалоги, затем возьмите роли и разыграйте. The answer. Who's that man over there? The tall man? Wearing glasses? Yes, that's Mr. Tim's, Tina's father. Are the children in their room? No, they're in the garden. What are they doing there? They're making a snowman. Is this skirt new? Yes, it is. Do you like it? It looks lovely on you. Thanks. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 53. 53. Exercise number 3. Look and fill in. What's the secret word? Посмотри и запомни. Какое секретное слово? The answer. Jacket, trousers, T-shirt, shoes, dress, socks. The secret word is clothes. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 4. Read, look and find their names. Прочтите, посмотрите и найдите их имена. I'm wearing blue trousers and a white t-shirt. I am wearing a purple jacket. I am wearing black trousers and white shirt. I am wearing a red skirt and boots. I am wearing a yellow dress. I am wearing green shorts, yellow socks, and trainers. The answer. Mike, Kate, Peter, Jill, Beth, Joy. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 54. 54. Сивка-бурка. Listen, point to the pictures and say the words. Послушайте, покажите на картинке и произнесите слова. Handsome, finger, clap, cheer. Listen and read the story. Послушайте и прочтите историю. Иванушка climbs into the horse's right ear, then climbs out of the left ear. Now he looks very handsome and he is wearing beautiful clothes. Then, together, the young man and the horse go to the contest. There are a lot of young men there,
and one by one they begin to jump. But the window is very high, and no one can jump up to it. Ivanushka's brothers try too, but they can't jump very high. At last it is Ivanushka's turn. "Come on, friend," says Ivanushka. "I know you can do it." Sivka Burka jumps really high, and Ivanushka takes the ring from the prince's finger. And all the people clap and cheer. But Ivanushka and Sivka Burka turn around and ride back home very fast. "Who is that handsome young man?" Sergei asks. "Where is he from?" Ivanushka goes into the wheat field, climbs into the horse's left ear and out of its right, and turns back into a poor farmer's son. Sivka Burka goes away, and Ivanushka goes back home, collecting mushrooms on the way. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето. Summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима. Winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна. Spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень. Autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.